To install BeautifulSoup, a popular Python library for web scraping and parsing HTML or XML documents, you can use pip, Python's package manager. Here's how to do it. Open Terminal or Command Prompt. Open a terminal window on macOS or Linux or Command Prompt on Windows. Install BeautifulSoup. Use pip to install the BeautifulSoup library by running the following command: pip install BeautifulSoup 4. This command will download and install the latest version of BeautifulSoup from the Python package index along with its dependencies. Verify installation. After installation is complete, you can verify that BeautifulSoup is installed by running pip show BeautifulSoup 4. This command will display information about the installed BeautifulSoup package, including its version and installation location. Start using BeautifulSoup. Once installed, you can start using BeautifulSoup in your Python projects by importing it in your Python scripts. From BS4, import BeautifulSoup. You can now use BeautifulSoup to parse HTML or XML documents, extract data, and perform web scraping tasks.